Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a financial term, a soft currency. It is the one with the value that fluctuates predominantly lower relative to other currencies because there is less demand for that currency in the forex market. This lack of demand may be driven by a variety of factors, but is most often a result of countries' political or economic uncertainty. A currency that is not readily acceptable to person and in firms in other countries. A currency that is difficult to exchange or one that does not hold value in relation to other currencies. Example of some of the most known soft currencies are Venezuelan bolivar, the Zimbabwean dollar, Syrian pound, Turkish lira, West African franc, Egyptian pound. Of course, now the Turkish franc may not be in this list. I have found personally when you want to travel to China and taking the local currency RMB, renminbi seems to be very difficult task because in India at least people do not hold that currency and it is very difficult to get such a currency. You can call the US dollars or euro as odd currency because they are easily convertible and also available quickly. Thanks for watching. Bye.